Doesn't look like it's a mixed bag when it comes to commercial property insurance. That's definitely a bit of a negative news coming in for the people who are taking it, because it seems like that the companies have taken a steep price hike. What exactly are the details? What's the quantum of the hike? Why is it taken? Anurag Shah, who tracks the sector very closely, joining us with all of those answers.
So, general insurance companies have withdrawn the deep discount they were giving on the commercial property insurance. So, in result, from 1st of January, the circular issued by companies, the internal circular which they have quoted to their client, which shows that the commercial property insurance has increased by 50 to 80%, and this steep increase is mainly due to the withdrawal of discount which insurance companies were giving after the de-tariffing of rates. So, in last year, the commercial property insurance rates were de-tariffied by regulator IRDA, and after that, it was a complete free market. So, in competition, insurance companies were giving deep discount up to 80%, 90%, and after that, now the reinsurers has raised objection on that because their claim experience was getting bad, and after the objection of reinsurers, and now insurance companies have withdrawn the deep discounting, and now new rates are aligned with the IIB rates, which has increased the overall premium for commercial property insurance by 50 to 80%. Just a while back, I have spoken to a CFO of a company also. He has told me that for their renewal, the quote given by the insurance company has gone up by 400%. So last year they have paid the premium of 10 crore, but this year the insurance company has given a quote of 40 crore. So increase of 400% for their insurance of their company. Though property insurance consists of fire insurance, engineering insurance, which is taken by the corporate, that is the commercial line of segment for general insurance companies, and which consists of 10% of their overall business. The 3 lakh crore of industry, so around 30,000 crore of business is of property insurance, and after the withdrawal of discounts, new rates will be aligned to IIB rates, and in that return only premium has gone up by 80%.